Good morning, guys. So we are back on the Camaro, trying to diagnose the issue with the headlights. So I don't know if I can do this one-handed. I'm gonna try. Let's see, can we get that to stay? Maybe here? Oh, it'll do it, good. Okay, so, no, that's not gonna work. One. Damn it.
I maybe shouldn't even borrow your money, but I told him I'll give you $20
So here we go.
if I can throw that thing in there.
And fuse is good. So back to square one. What are we doing, Bernsey?
Taking a brand new battery tray out because the battery that came with the car is leaking.
And as you can see, so I'm working on trying to figure out why we don't have headlights. High beam or low beam. So we already checked the fuse, that was the previous video. So we're double checking harnesses and make sure everything's plugged in like it's supposed to be. That is no issue. And I'm like, well, that's wet. I wonder why that's wet. Doesn't make any sense. So I put my finger in it and lo and behold, it's battery acid. So yeah, so we got to take this out, scrub this off and clean it to get that taken care of so that we can find out if the battery's strong enough. I mean, I just started the car and drove it where it's at. So we got to find out what's going on. So we'll catch you guys on
the flip side.